Good morning everyone. Myself Abhigna
and Dikshita.
I am Sandrishita
and we are from grade 9S.
9S.
Today we are here to show you some experiments about light phenomena. For this activity you need a coin, a beaker and some water. Now place the coin on a flat surface. Now place the beaker on top of it. Can you see the coin from the side? Yes, you can see the coin. Now pour some water into the beaker. Now, can you observe the coin? No, the coin disappears. Which means when light travels from one medium to another medium, it bends away from the normal due to the change of speed of light. And do you know that we use refraction of light in our daily life? Yes, the camera lens which we use to shoot this video uses refraction of light. Even our eye lens shows the form of object clearly. Even some optic instruments like telescope and microscope lenses use refraction of light. Hope you understand this video. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I am here to explain one activity. So, first take a beaker and a small ball. Observe the actual size of the ball. So, now dip the ball into the beaker and take some water and add it into the beaker. Now observe the ball size in the beaker, it increased.
Up to now, you have seen two different activities based on light phenomena which was done by my friends. Now I'll show you another activity. Take a pencil, keep it inside the beaker and fill the beaker inside with the water. Now the pencil appears to be bent inside the water. Do you want to know the reason behind this?